Hello, I'm Chris Jones from the Australian Electric Vehicle Association, and we're fundraising to install DC fast chargers between Perth and Esperance. DC fast chargers just like this one.
Electric vehicles are here to stay, but one of the last things holding them back is convenient, fast recharging options for rural and remote areas. This project aims to install half a dozen 50 kilowatt DC fast chargers at roughly 150 kilometre spacings. The current AC charging options mean a 2 to 4 hour wait in each town. But a DC fast charger can add up to 350 kilometres range for every hour spent charging, perfect for a long lunch break on the way to Esperance. Institutional and corporate donors will have access to branding and promotion opportunities with plenty of space to advertise your business. Enabling electric road trips to country WA means the southern Wheatbelt can be opened up to a new generation of tourists. Places like Hyden and the iconic Wave Rock are great reasons to stop for a charge, while Esperance, the jewel in the crown of Western Australia's southern coast, is a fantastic destination for long weekends or longer stays. As WA's electricity grid gets cleaner, so too do our transport options.
So please, get involved and contribute to this incredible cause. Together we can build a DC fast charging network between Perth and Esperance in time for Easter 2020.